Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today we're going to talk about what do you do if there's a power failure. And the reason I'm doing this is because a couple of weeks ago I got a phone call from somebody who couldn't get their car out of their garage. So if you have a power failure and your garage door opener doesn't work, you have no way to open up the door because it'll be locked. It very simply, you just grab this red handle that's on every garage door opener has this red handle. You just take the red handle, you pull it down just like that, and then the garage door itself, you can actually open it up without having to use the power on the motor itself. And then when the electricity comes back on, you very simply just take the handle, pull it back that direction there. Like that, and then you cycle the garage door up and down, and the door will automatically reconnect into the holder itself, and then you can use your garage door as your normal garage door. But that's it. That's today's tip for you. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.